This is the recording session where we're going to destroy the piano. This good old piano placed in my new house, actually. We're going to be using a bunch of equipment, and we're going to be introducing that just in a minute. Today with me I have my dad and good friend, Bjørn Jacobsen.
Hi there.
My two other friends, Bjørn and Alexander de Squat, couldn't be here today. They unfortunately had family stuff to do, and Bjørn is DJing down in Germany. Too bad for them.
Before we start actually wrecking the piano, we obviously need to record some of the stuff that we cannot record once it's been destroyed. So we decided to go through all of the strings, make as many horror-type sounds, gliding sounds with picks and glass bottles to make sure that we get some sort of noise out of the piano when it's still sort of intact.
Okay, that's it for the first hour of fun that we had. We had clean keys, we hit clean notes and clean strings and so on. Not all of them, because we're not planning to make a playable sound library. We're just going to do multiple sounds, all the sounds that we can get out of this as quickly as possible. Of course, we're going to take our time, but as quickly as possible. We only have one day. So we're going to be recording all that, and then in the sample library, in the eventual product that will come out of this, will also be processed versions of everything. We tried to get as many overtones we could by resonating all of the strings so that we could get full use of our 196K recording and our 96K recording as well. Hopefully the tape also got some really nice distortion. But now it's time for the stapler. It's not the red stapler, I'm sorry, but it's the stapler. And actually, maybe we could shoot at it like this. Okay, $10 if you can play a tune like this. Nice. And we left the cut strings that we put them down here just in various combinations so that we can eventually get some resonating parts out of these. Piano needs to go. It's broken. And especially now that it's broken, it needs to go, but we're getting a lot of fun out of this. It's his latest symphony. that's it. We've recorded the piano. We made sure that this piano, with respect and dignity, goes to musical instrument heaven. This was an instrument that needed to go away. It was left behind in this new house that we are moving into. The previous owner had it either for a very long time or did not treat it very well. As you can see here, there is a burn mark on top of the lid, and there's been all sorts of things to it, and it was out of tune and it sounded horrible. It couldn't be saved, so the last respect that we can give to this instrument is that we send it to music heaven and we make sure that it's recorded and it can be used for sound design and game audio, whatever you want to use it for, forever. Everybody who's already a supporter of my Patreon channel will get a copy of this library, regardless of the size of it, and you will all get it for free. After that, you can buy it on various channels such as ASoundEffect and Sounds.com. We'll figure that out later. When this is done and all is processed, all is clean, I'll make sure I'll post about it so you all current supporters will know, and all future supporters will hopefully also know. There will be lots of explanations to do, lots of videos to follow and talk about what we did to process all these recordings. It'll be great. And thanks to this piano, we've got a lot of recordings to edit now with 5 or 6 different microphones, lots of different recordings, and the tape recorder in particular, I'm really looking forward to see what came out of that one because we couldn't monitor it. This is awesome. Now we just need to clean it up and take it to the junkyard, and it's the final step. So say goodbye to Mr. Piano. You've done well. See you.
Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Check out the channel for more videos like it about game audio, sound design, and other things. Also, consider signing up for patreon.com/Cujo Sound. There you can support me for as little as $1 a month, and you can help me sustain this channel. I would really, really appreciate it. See you next time.